This is where I spent the blip fixing myself and integrating the Hulk banner identity.
In this tiny beach house lab.
Yeah. Tony built it for me a few years ago. Tony Stark. He used to joke that it was a loaner, that one day he'd just swing by and take it back.
Our job is if. What if you were sipping margaritas on Sunbranch Beach, turned brown instead of green? Not looking over your shoulder for the ride.
You built this bar by hand?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Yeah, me and Tony. Well, Tony mostly drank, sat around complaining about Steve.
Oh, Steve.
It's a good time during the hard time.
An interview. Plus, honestly, I have to get out of the garage before Morgan takes the sledding.